the ONO mobile DApp launched April 15th. And
Yes.
tell us a little bit about what has happened since the launch.
Okay, so we reached like 50,000 users in only 1 week. So now it grows like more, like 5,000 more users every day. It grows faster. So we are still using the inviting system, so to not to keep the people too crazy about it, but it's still like growing crazy because every day we have like 500,000 more content being produced, and now it's like more than 3 million contents now.
3 million pieces of content have been shared on the ONO
Yes.
platform so far. Wow.
Yes. So yeah, you can see this.
Yeah, let's see.
Yeah, you can see the like what we got here. Like we have some like IM thing.
Uh-huh.
Like
Where's your page? Like how many followers? Can you show us your followers and stuff?
Yeah, sure. I got not lots of like friends, but it's like a combination of Telegram and Twitter. So yeah, this is my Telegram here, and here is my content. So this is like the hot content.
Are there
right
stickers?
Now.
Can you reply with a sticker yet?
Yeah, you can reply a sticker.
Can you show us that? People are dying to know, including myself. I want to see a reply.
Really?
Yeah, reply to someone with a sticker.
Okay. Sure. Okay. I will. We have this kind of like emoji and sticker.
Oh my gosh, show me a sticker that you can use. You can use that sticker?
Yes.
Oh, are people going crazy with the stickers or not?
I don't know. I will let all the people can DIY their stickers.
Oh, just like Telegram? So like artists, if they want to design their own sticker sets in ONO, they can do that?
Yes.
Oh
yes.
my gosh. I'm sorry. I'm getting so excited for this app. I can't wait. Oh, wow. Okay, a whole new world. It's almost like Twitter and Telegram mixed. And the encrypted chat, the end-to-end encrypted chat, does that work now?
It's not work now, but it will launch by the international version. Yeah, it's like 1 month later.
Oh, okay. Okay, but that's going to be happening too. So basically like it is kind of a mix of Telegram and Twitter. Is that and WeChat like all mixed together? Kind of?
Yeah, kind of. But we kind of make like all the people can DIY their functions. Like if you don't want these functions, you can delete it.
Oh, good. Okay.
So you can go to the My Box. We have this thing like My Box, and you can download it again, like App Store like thing.
Oh, awesome.